Hello and welcome to the Haven Crochet and Craft Learn to Crochet series. In this video we will be learning how to do the triple crochet stitch. It's sometimes called the treble crochet stitch as well, just so you know. I do prefer to call it triple. So what you'll do in the beginning is you will chain however many chains you want your finished piece to be, and then you'll add 3 additional chains. So in this case I want my piece to be 5 stitches wide, so I went ahead and chained 8 stitches. Alright, so to actually start the triple crochet you will yarn over 2 times, okay, and then you're going to insert your hook into the 5th stitch. You're going to be skipping 4. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches skipped, and so this is the 5th. We're going to go ahead and insert the hook, pull up a loop, and then this is the part that the triple kind of comes in. You're going to yarn over and pull through 2, and you'll do that 3 times. So there's 1, 2, and 3 times. So now those beginning chains we skipped, those actually turned into our first triple crochet stitch, and this one here that we just completed is considered our second. So we have 3 more to do. 1, 2 times yarning over, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, and then we're going to yarn over and pull through 2, 1 time, 2 times, and 3 times. Okay, and you just continue this to the end. One, 2, and 3, and we have this one last stitch here in our foundation chain. Okay, and see how my piece is curling? That's normal. You can fix it once you're done with the row. Not a big deal. Okay, so there we have a total of 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. At the end of the row you are going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn your work, and then this chain of 4 is considered the first triple crochet stitch. So we're going to skip this stitch since there's already a skip this hole here since there's already a stitch above it. I'm going to yarn over twice and go into the second stitch there and pull up a loop, and you'll just complete the triple crochets across. There's 2 stitches total now. This is 3. So there's 3 stitches. Now the 4th stitch is here, and that appears to be the end of the row, although it is not. So this is where it's very important to count your stitches, otherwise you'll have some wonky looking pieces when you're done. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches. Alright, now that 5th stitch, it's the top of this original triple crochet from the foundation chain. So just kind of hides on you a little bit. And again, at the end of the row, sometimes you really have to you know, convince it. Take extra care. Okay, there we go. So there's 1, 2, and 3 times. Alright, so this is your 2 rows of triple crochet. If you liked what you learned and you would like to learn some more, go ahead and click subscribe. I'll be adding new videos weekly, if not twice a week. Okay, I've got lots to teach you. Thank you.